still on 3-minute videos with Nathaniel. Today we will now dissect a hexagon into 4 smaller congruent hexagons. How do you do this? Now the objective is to use the fewest number of pieces. Well, obviously you can slice up the hexagon this way. So I'm not gonna, and then you can dissect each bit into 4 equilateral triangles, giving you a total of 24 triangles. But we can do better. Let's draw the 24 equilateral triangle solution. And obviously we can do a lot better by applying some geometry. Now what we are going to do is that we're going to erase some edges. What we can do is that we can have this triangle shape in each one of the edges. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So you're bad at hand erasing. Now we'll continue the same for all 6 sides. And then, if we want the fewest number of congruent pieces, what we can do is that we now have 12 pieces, we can reduce this number to 8. How can we do this? We fix triangular shapes this way in the inner hexagon so that we now have 8 congruent shapes. So how does this dissection work? Well, basically you just have this smaller hexagon in the middle, and you can turn this around so that since this edge is here, then you can draw another hexagon here, then you can draw another hexagon here, and you can draw another hexagon. You see, this looks like a ammonia molecule. Anyways, if you can find a better solution, please tell me what solution do you have in mind, and I will count up the number of pieces in our next dissection video. Goodbye.